Hey, what's up guys? It's Lexi Lord Explorer. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, for today's vlog, I'm going to my ate's work sa Oh My Chicken. So, if you're new to my YouTube vlog, kindly please subscribe my YouTube channel. It's Lexi Lord Explorer 26. So, today, I'm on the Venice Grand Canal. So I'm going to the food hall court. So this was just the same as my day. As you can see, there are a lot of people around here. Now, pupunta. Venice is one of my favorite place here in Manila. Actually, it was copyright the Italy Rome, the designs. So there are a lot of people here in Venice every Saturday and Sunday. So today, I'm going to visit my ate. Hindi ako nagsabi sa kanya na pupunta ako sa Venice. It was just a surprise. So matagal-tagal din ako bago nakapag-vlog kasi dumanaw sa madaming problema. I do face a lot of circumstances in life and I got a lot of pains and doings in my life. But today, sinipag ako mag-vlog. So today, I'm on my way to food court hall. Sinipag ako mag-vlog today kasi sabi ko nalulungkot na ako, wala na akong mga pinopost na beats. So sayang naman, diba? So, here, I'm going upstairs. So, I'm on my way to the food court hall. So, yun ako madadaanan, yung seafood restaurant. And now, I'm going to the Grand Canal. So now I'm here. There. Yeah. So this is kind of like an incredible place. It would relax your mind. It's gonna relax your mind. A lot of things to do here. There will a lot of romantic music here in Venice. So, ano makikita natin sa Venice? What we're gonna find at Venice? There are a lot of mascots here. And a lot of people around here. So, it was so very incredible. It was so amazing. So if you're new to my YouTube vlog, kindly please subscribe my YouTube channel. It's Lexi Lord Explorer _26. So now I'm going to the food court hall. So yun. Ibisitahin ko si Ate Jenny sa restaurant ng Oh My Chicken. So nandito na ako guys. Nakarating na ako. Hi, Ate Jenny! So, binisita ko nga pala yung ate ko. Wala sa plano. Busy siya. Ayan. So, ito yung restaurant na sa food court hall na pinupuntahan ko, guys. Oh My Chicken. As you can see in my vlog. So, ngayon lang kasi ako sinipag mag-vlog eh. Ang tagal-tagal din bago ako nakapag-post sa mga videos, nakapag-edits. So, ayun. Maraming pwedeng ganap sa buhay. So, yung ganap naman na lang ate ko. So, ito nga pala yung madalas kong binibisita dito, si Ate Jenny. So, Ate Jenny, anong ganap mo sa buhay? Since binisita kita ngayon. Ayun, naka-duty daw siya guys. Papanggulo ako sa buhay niya. Ayan na nga sa Oh My Chicken. Dito nyo lang siya matatagpuan. Hanapin nyo lang po si Jenny Pescado. So, ayun nga. So, sinabi ko na nga ba, may bigla ang bisita ako dito. So, kung bago ka sa YouTube vlog ko, kindly please subscribe it and like it. Lexilorda Explorer _26. So, panggulo ko sa buhay ni ate, nandito ako ngayon sa Binis. Since I'm boarding sa bahay, wala akong ginagawa, it's Sunday. So, naisipan ko mag-vlog. So, wait for my part 2. If you're new here, kindly please subscribe it and like it. Okay guys, bye!